beloved Cathnatics. It's me again, Kathy, your Ilocana, Ilongga Bisaya gal. Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, we are here at the Hoover Dam Scenic Lookout. And so we're actually just gonna be stopping by here to check the place out because we are actually on our way to Grand Canyon, Arizona. So we're just gonna pass by this place and have Ethel check this place out as well. So, it's Ethel. Look at the scene. So, mga turista, they can come here check this place out. Okay. It's windy, but it's nice. So we are here at Wine Country Club or something like that. It's a restaurant here at Williams, Arizona. This is our first stop over here at Williams. This is a very small town, but very beautiful place. And it's lunchtime, so we are having our lunch really quick, and then we're gonna explore what's here in Williams, Arizona. So tomorrow we're gonna go to Grand Canyon. We're gonna take the train ride, but for today we have no itinerary, but we just want to explore this place. And there's a lot of gift shops, There's a lot of antique places, food places, mga local restaurants, and stuff like that. So, ayun, mga unta, mga tayon, kain po. Let's eat here in my country. Ang ganda. I'm in love with this place already. So let's go to one of their places here. One of their gift shops. Wow. Let's check this place out.
We've been transferring over there, so some of them will help her. That's it, yes. David just watches him. Just watches him do it.
So it's happened.
Yeah. So then.
Ganda. So much stuff. Busog na busog yung mata ko. Ayan. Ang gaganda. If you appreciate culture, if you appreciate history, yan. Magugustuhan niyo itong lugar na to. You find something?
Yeah, butterfly.
Butterfly.
No, it's like the butterfly movements.
Good. Oh. So, you did?
For $20.
$20?
Like, I think almost 10.
Yeah, they have a place here where they sell balsamic vinegars, olive oil. Yun yung favorite ni Beb, so he already got it.
Yes, my healthy stuff.
Yeah, the healthy stuff. They have so much stuff here. It's so cool.
Now I'm calm and
It's very nice.
Natakuha ka na sa'yo?
Awan?
Bayaran
Awan
mo
pa?
na lang. Meron na itong sukli ko. Meron ka ba dyan?
I have 100.
Punta lang ako doon sa may gasoline
Ang ganda.
station. Ang top.
I
Tapos
know.
na dami natin top eh.
Yeah.
Bertal.
I'm already in love with this place. Ang ganda. So They have more here. They have more here, babe.
now I have already
They have more stuff. A lot.
5 no, it's not green. No, it's not.
Babe. It's like a never-ending place. Wow. So much stuff, guys. Like I'm telling you. Beautiful, beautiful place. And this is, like I said, this is just our first gift shop na pinasukan. So marami pa nakahilera. Very small town, but so much history and story. And, tawag nito, dito yung Route 66. So, yeah. Let's keep on shopping.
Is it?
This one is so cool. So croaking frogs. Rub the back of the frog with a stick and listen to him croak. So, very dull.
Not that loud. Huwag mo hawakan sa may bunganga. Hawakan mo sa ganyan like that. Maybe the bigger one.
The bigger one. This one.
Yeah. That's your friend. Take him. Said, bring me. Or take me.
There's one that I've heard. Like talagang... Earlier, talagang... It's like a...
Baka ito.
Parang siyang... It sounded like crickets.
Bisayang Ilocana is having fun with
With my
least
favorite.
Kroko.
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 I love this place.
Oo. Parang walang tunog. Oh, it's very yeah, it's like a church. Yeah, that's nice. What
We should go to the next gift shop.
next? Okay.
Oh, that's cute. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Oh, it smells so good. Because it's leather, babe. Veteran owned. If you wanna be rich.
Kailangan ko na lang ng kabayo. I need horse. This is XXL, that's why. Should be medium. Oh, large. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. Dun-dun-dun. Chirurururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururur.
Ay, babe, ano mo yung sheriff, yung badge? Put it here.
Nice. Kaso parang,
Yeah.
parang medyo malambot ito sa akin.
Take two, take two. Take two. Ano sabi?
Maganda. Kaso tabi na eh. Tabi na.
Yeah, talagang ano niya.
Tingnan mo. Diba? Na-deform na
That's just how
siya.
they, ano. How much is it?
Mura lang. Mura lang oh.
126. Yeah.
Anong gusto? Bilhin ko na lang yata yung leather jacket.
Oh.
Ang dalaga.
Ayan! Having fun here at Williams, in Williams, Arizona. Ayun. So,
Bilhin ko na yung apoy doon.
yeah, they already got their
I
souvenirs.
have my olive oil.
He has his olive oil and balsamic vinegar. Di ba ba?
Hindi ako pumili ng bansa.
Oh no, balsamic. Ayan. here earlier. And award-winning olive oil and aged Italian balsamic. That's where he went. It looks fancy. And let's go to this place. So much stuff.
These are like silver. Are they silver, sir?
Yes, sir.
Question on this one.
Yes.
Just wondering how much the price is.
Turin ko, hindi nila. Tanong lang. Nagbibidyo ako. Hello. Wow.
Yun. We just checked in here at Wyndham Williams Days Inn, and we are at the back. We're gonna be in the second floor up there, but tingnan nyo naman ang view, diba? Ang ganda. There's bed. Yan. So upstairs, room 231 and 229.
The one you shop, you want me to bring it inside or just leave it here?
I don't think I will need it.
Alright, let's go inside. Yeah, so we are now here in our room. We're gonna relax. Favorite sitcom, Friends. Yun, very simple but very beautiful place. Yan yung view natin. And then bed. Yun. So we're just gonna take a rest for an hour or two. It's only 3:06 here. And then we're gonna go swimming. We're gonna go back downstairs. They have an indoor pool and indoor jacuzzi. So yun, they're gonna have it open until 10 in the evening, I believe. So we have a lot of time, plenty of time to take a rest and go swimming and then call it the day for today, because tomorrow will be a brand new day for us. We're gonna go on a train ride to Grand Canyon. So bukas pa yun. So yun, pahinga muna tayo.